Household this morning as we drew back the curtains to see the snowfall. Not quite enough where I live to make a snowman, but we've seen a little bit more further north. This was in Cumbria, just to continue the theme of snowy pictures. Enough to go sledging on here. How jealous am I? And this was sent in. What a beautiful picture. That was from Tottington in the borough of Bury. These are from our weather watchers. Please do keep sending them in because some beautiful pictures are coming in today. Now, this band of cloud means that we're not enjoying the sunshine to go with the chill that we had yesterday. It's probably a little bit grey for most parts. The best of the sunshine is still hanging on in eastern parts of England, but there are some bits and pieces of rain and drizzle around, and gradually as this next band of rain creeps in, and it will be rain for southern and western areas, but as it comes into the cold air, northern England, Scotland again, we'll see some more snowfall, just a few more centimetres topping things up there. Clearly, I think the main issue will be how icy it's going to become, particularly on untreated roads and pavements. Temperatures once again widely below freezing away from southern and western areas, so the snowfields of Scotland bitterly cold again tomorrow morning, which obviously is going to pose a problem for the return to work tomorrow. Icy patches quite widely, I think, as I say, particularly across the northern half of the country, adding that snow into the midst as well. Doesn't look particularly nice. Only 2 degrees in Glasgow, touch and go for some snow here. Obviously, if it comes down heavily, it will turn to snow at lower levels. Rain across Northern Ireland, rain for the majority of the west of Northern England, but again over the Pennine routes through Cumbria. Do expect a little bit of winteriness here, mostly of rain across Wales and the southwest, but in North Wales where it falls probably over Snowdonia, the A55, the A470 probably affected by snow, and elsewhere, even if you haven't got the snow or indeed even the ice, it'll be grey and murky. There'll be some freezing fog around as we saw during the weekend, during this morning. Best of the sunshine again, it's very limited because we'll be blanketed by cloud. It will thin at times, but it does persist the risk of snow across Scotland. Gradually, as I say, things are starting to get a tad milder, and that process will continue through the week, but for the most part, because of all the cloud around, it's going to feel quite raw, I should imagine, particularly if you're caught in this breeze near the North Sea coast on Tuesday, which again looks set to be a cloudy day, a cold morning, some fog around as well. Wednesday, very similar. You can see the temperatures are really struggling. There's just a hint of a change, though, as we get towards the latter part of the week, and we'll start to bring in the milder Atlantic air, and it's back to that all too familiar wet and windy scenario that we had, well, for most of the winter so far.